Hello, I'm Vivian Oluwafalanlakemi Ameho, your speech training coach right here at Edicity Online. Today on the program, as usual, we are going to be exploring the world of words. Just because it is widely used doesn't make it acceptable or correct. And you have to master the art of speaking the right words, even though we don't have anyone policing us around. Today on Let's Speak It Right, viral but wrong. As usual, we are going to be looking at some words, playing around with some words, using them in sentences just to help us, just to help you to be a better English speaker. All right, the first word on our list today is the word we commonly pronounce as incisor. Yes, incisor. We make use of that word so much. Okay, what's an incisor? An incisor, as you know it, is our canine teeth. Yes, our canine teeth that we're having up there and down there. Okay, now the correct pronunciation of that word is incisor. Yes, incisor. It's not incisor, but incisor. So let's make use of this word in a sentence. We have Kelvin's upper incisor was knocked out by a punch. Kelvin's upper incisor was knocked out by a punch. Yes, the word is incisor. Let's put that into correction. The second word we're going to be treating is maximize. Yes, maximize your potential. We hear that every day and we make use of it every day, but that doesn't make it correct. The correct pronunciation of that word is maximize. Maximize. One more time. Maximize. Yes, maximize. So we have all humans must maximize their potentials. All humans must maximize their potentials. Maximize. The next one we're going to be treating is negotiate. Yes, let us negotiate. Calm down. Let us negotiate. But that's actually wrong. That is not the correct pronunciation of that word. The correct pronunciation of that word is negotiate. 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 And you have the kidnappers refused to negotiate with the king. The kidnappers refused to negotiate with the king. Negotiate. That's the correct pronunciation. All right, the next one we're going to be treating is organism. Biology students will be very familiar with this word. It's organism. But that's not the correct pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is organism. 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 Yes, organism. So let's use that word in a sentence. We have all living organisms composed of cells. All living organisms are composed of cells. Organism. Okay, now the last one we're going to be taking on this segment of the program is vomit. Yes, stop vomiting. For God's sake, stop vomiting. Okay, that's not the correct pronunciation of that word. The correct pronunciation is vomit. 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 Yes, so you have the baby vomited all over my party dress. The baby vomited all over my party dress. And not the baby vomited all over. No, that's wrong. Totally wrong. So it's the baby vomited all over my party dress. And there you go. I hope you've learned something today on the show today. And I hope to see you in the next video where we'll be exploring more words. Now to the next segment of the program. This is a segment where we drop idiomatic nuggets. Now, why do you need why do you need to speak right? Apart from you being able to speak right, use the correct pronunciations of word, use a beautiful accent to speak. You should also master the art of speech making. So it's not all the time that you have to say everything in plain English. There are just sometimes you just have to make use of idioms to beautify what you say. And that makes people admire you the more and respect you as a prowess in English speaking. Okay, we're going to be dropping three idiomatic nuggets today that we want to leave you with and leave you with to ponder over. And the first is don't throw in the towel, or don't throw in the sponge. No matter the circumstances, keep your hope alive. Yes, we know that the pandemic has caused chaos all over the world, and it's expected that people will kind of fall into depression over this. But we at Edicity Online are telling you, don't throw in the towel. All hope is not lost yet. It isn't over just yet. Okay, so the second idiomatic nugget we're going to be dropping is little drops of water make up an ocean. Little drop of water make up an ocean. Do it consistently, and you would be surprised at what the result will be eventually. Yes, do it consistently. Be committed to whatever it is that you do, and you'll realize that within time, you're going to be recording great success in all your endeavors. So we are telling you, little drops of water make up a big ocean. Okay, so the last one we're going to be, a dramatic nugget we're going to be dropping will be, if you found this video impactful and you've realized that yes, you can, you've learned something from this, we've been able to impact you one way or the other, would like you to don't pass the buck. Don't pass the buck. It is your responsibility. Don't pass it to another. It's your responsibility to react to this video by liking, loving, caring, or whichever category you think that this video falls into. Yes, react, like, drop a comment. We'd like to hear feedback from you. What would you think? What do you think we should how do you think we can be of better services to you? What do you think we could add to the program to make it bigger than it is? And while at the long run, you would be imparted. Yes, drop a comment. We want to hear from you. And lastly, yes, help us to share. Make the video go viral. Let people around you also benefit from what you're learning here. And you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be very, very excited and willing to have you over. Yes. Until I come your way again next time, I remain yours truly, Vivian Oluwafolanlakemi Ameho, and this is me signing out on today's program. Thank you.